What is meant by an open enrollment in general? Yeah, open
Okay.
enrollment.
When you talk about open enrollment, that's talking about the period or window by which a worker or an employee
Mm-hmm.
can apply for any of the benefits which the organization is offering.
Exactly. Right. Workday recommends to follow a process, especially in open enrollment, sir. And open enrollment is not a small activity. Okay. It's a kind of year-end closer. It's a kind of year-end starting. We will initiate this open enrollment. So there is a process we need to follow. So you need to review all your plans so far. What are we covered? Everything, of course, ACI said we'll discuss. So everything you need to review: coverage types, earning codes, payroll team is created, period schedules. You need to validate all the plans, spending account, SF, yeah. Okay. To make sure after initiating, we should not hear anything, any issue from the end user. Okay.
Hmm.
How the setup looks or works. It is very simple, straightforward as well. We need to create an open enrollment. So can I reuse your plans which you created? Gym member,
Yes,
another one. Yeah, fantastic. So
no
here
problem.
we are going to create open enrollment. Here we are going to create open enrollment event. So you remember benefit event we created, right?
Yeah.
Similar to that, we do have open enrollment, sir. Is exclusive for open enrollment we are going to create. And then once you get open enrollment event, assign under enrollment event rules. The open enrollment we need to assign under enrollment event rule. This is a standard practice. Okay, this is standard practice. The benefit event we have mapped under enrollment event. Excuse me. Similar to that, here also we need to map the open enrollment. Third thing, initiate open enrollment. Initiate open enrollment. Fourth one, send reminders about for open enrollment. Again, send reminders for closure of open enrollment. And then the last one, close the open enrollment, finalize the open enrollment. I mean, close is here. Sorry, my bad. Finalize the open enrollment, close the open enrollment for the particular pay period. Okay. They are the key important tasks or process we have to follow. Apart from that, in open enrollment, communication is very important, sir. Communication plays a key role. What does that mean? Before you initiating the open enrollment, inform all your benefit partners or benefit admins to cancel in progress transactions, if any. Also, inform not to initiate until the open enrollment is closer. Not to initiate benefit changes until the open enrollment is
Closed.
closed. Questions here customers will ask us. Why? Let's see the first answer, sir. Why I'm supposed to inform everyone? I can initiate the open enrollment. The reason is, if there is any in progress transaction event, change benefit event, or change benefit elections, any event is in progress for an employee, the open enrollment will go on hold. The open enrollment event will go on hold. Why it go on hold? Because there is already a in progress transaction is there. On top of that, you're initiating this open enrollment. Hence, complete the in progress transaction, and then only open enrollment will be released or triggered. Okay, fine. Why I am not supposed to change any benefit elections? The reason is, some of the benefit plans might be initiated through the open enrollment. If you do the changes, it may impact the plans. So these two strictly we need to communicate them to our internally. Okay. Second thing, reminders. When open enrollment open enrollment window starts. When open enrollment window close and close, we need to send the reminders to our employees. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Now, common questions here we'll get. You have closed. Okay, let me start from here. Can I add a new hire to the open enrollment? I already initiated the open enrollment. All eligible employees received the inbox action item, and a few new hires we have. Can I add them to the new open enrollment? Of course, yes, possible. You can add them. Okay. Second question. Can I remove the people from the open enrollment? Yes, possible. Okay. Then, can I cancel the open enrollment after initiation? Oh, sorry. Yes, it's possible, but make sure once if it is not closed, open enrollment is not closed, then only you are able to cancel the open enrollment event. So mistakes may happen, right, sir? By mistake, you initiate some other event. So you need to cancel it. Or it didn't trigger the events at all. You need to cancel it. Okay? So these are the very important communication things. And these are the quite common questions you can get from Ben admin and managers or employees. Okay? Now, let's talk about the best practices. Let's see now. First, create the announcement rule. So this is one of the option you can inform your employees.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, communication.
Open error.
Yes.
Benefits. Okay.
For the USA. So you can guide your customer all these options. They may happy. Location, country. Rules, sir. Because you're initiating enrollment in only USA, not in Canada, nor in UK, correct? So
yes,
the announcement should be visible only for USA employees, correct? So
correct.
So right click, copy the text. Now, sometimes I will also forget the task. Configure announcement. Dashboard homepage. Okay. Add the row. Rule we copied, correct, sir? Paste it here.
Correct.
Okay. Now, message title. Okay. So something they will say, right? We are excited to open. Okay. So open enrollment 2020. Actually 24, but to see the
2024. Yeah.
results, to see the results, we will do in 23. Yeah.
Okay, 23. Okay.
Okay. So then you can update the custom image if company has anything. Here you can give the message. So I'm giving random message, but customer has to provide the
Sure.
details.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
So employee.
they will give the correct test.
So open enrollment has been initiated for 2023. So please proceed to enroll your family members served eligible benefit plans. Key points to remember. The open enrollment window is open from, will be open from, what is the date? We'll start from today itself. Date is 27 November.
27.
Yes, sir. Open from 27 November, and the window will be closed. What date will give, sir?
Maybe 10 days.
10 days. December 5th, did I say?
December 7th or December, yeah.
December 7th. Please ensure.
Then ensure you enroll within this time frame.
Yeah, very. Thank you so much. Please ensure you enroll within the time frame. And then if you have more questions or any more questions,
Yeah.
do you reach out to your benefit admin, or
Partner.
you can drop the email.
Yeah, okay.
Some
reach out.
Yes, reach out to your benefit admin. Actually, this is the sometimes
Yeah.
to ensure with the spellings and especially admin, or you can drop email to something we will give our
Blah blah blah.
right, sir?
Yeah.
BRT benefits.com. Oh, sorry. Benefits at BRT.com.
Benefit BR. Okay, benefit at BR. Okay.
Benefits at BRT.com. Right, sir. Okay. Our done. So you can upload pictures, sir. Even if any animations are there, right? You can upload animations as well. If you want to make it more funny way, video also you can upload. Okay.
Yeah.
So to make it more user interface, any links are there, no? Like external links, you have more details about the benefit open enrollment. You can give the link also here.
Okay.
Okay, I will give you just for example what I do is I'll create a link. Oh, links here we don't have an option to create. Also, okay, I will explain this one.
Okay.
So actually, we can create a link and we bring it here. I will figure it out. Yeah. So save this. Now we'll see our announcement is ready or not. Okay. Done. Now go to another tab. Select home button.
Yeah, it's now on the dashboard.
Yes. We can create, add pictures, something like this, and now we can perform.
Yeah.
This is the communication one step. Okay, sir. Now, okay, let's do mistakes. Mistakes in the sense, let's see how the steps will go on hold. Okay. Okay. So access the task, create open enrollment event. I'm giving you yours only. BRT open enrollment USA. Okay, sir. Enrollment offer type. What plans we are allowing? So I'm going to select the plans.
Oh, okay.
Gym membership, right?
Gym membership, US, that's it, the last one. Yeah.
Yeah. And then what else? And
The
retirement.
retirement,
Mhm.
BLT 401k, yeah.
Right. Later also we'll bring our plans and add it. Canceling the event and testing kind. Applicable only for USA.
Yes,
Okay. Do not reprocess future events. Okay. And do not reprocess. Reprocess in the sense, don't assign again. What happened here is sometimes employee already enrolled and you don't want to allow them to enroll or you don't want to trigger the event for them again. You can select these checkboxes. Okay. So days to enroll, this I'll check and get back to you, sir. In future, if you don't want this enrollment event, select this checkbox.
you inactivate it, yeah.
Okay. One job is done. Next, map this event under
Enrollment vet rules.
yeah, enrollment event. Open enrollment event. So which coverage does we're allowing? BRT,
Yeah.
USA. Okay, sir. Rest
Yes.
remain same, not changing. So we have to take one session on this actually. Actually, since we are selecting additional plan 401k, it is pretty straightforward. But if we select insurance, healthcare, it is complex because dependents and everything we need to test.
Okay.
Yeah. BRT. Then select any plan. No dependents for this too. Ignore this. Okay. First one we'll select. Okay. Okay, sir, these two are ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in order to test, you remember we created cross-plan dependencies, correct?
Yes.
Which means employee can select one plan or two plans, employee choice. Okay.
Yeah.
Edit. You got the point, right, sir? I'm going to reset this one. No restrictions. Just for the
Oh,
date testing, I set this one.
okay.
Yeah. Now you cannot delete it. So, or I can change the rule best. Or even if you can keep both, there is no harm, but they can set only one plan. Okay. Now this, they can set two plans now. Instead of removing, we can do this. You have an option to delete also, sir. Delete option will be available only if you don't, if you have not assigned this to anyone. Okay. Right. Now, shall we initiate? This is interesting. Initiate open enrollment. I'm run now. You can also do schedule. This is one of the new feature. Earlier we don't have. We need to wait on the same day. We need to initiate. Now Workday gave the schedule also. Schedule in the sense you can give the specific time and date.
The day.
Automatically initiated. Yeah. So now we'll go with cancel. We'll go with regular. Oh. So the benefit group, USA salary. So make sure the same benefit group must be assigned to your benefit plans. Okay. Same,
Okay.
or else it won't come. So that's the catch. Event type you created, right? Open enrollment. So always initiated date is default to today, sir.
Okay.
It is default today. You cannot enter. Oh, unless if you schedule something. Okay. Open until. So open until you mentioned December.
December 7.
Okay. Finalize from December 8th will give, which means December 8th onwards, these plans are what do you call effective for an employee. Okay. Now here you have checkbox. Don't worry, all open enrollments will be available here. Eligible ones, plan A definitions. If you select the checkbox, exclude workers in a waiting period. Sometimes an employee might be a new hire, not completed probation period. Those employees are not eligible, correct?
Okay.
You need to exclude them. So these details where we will give, any guess? Sorry. We go to enrollment event. Here you have waiting period, sir. Okay.
Okay.
30 days, 30 months, 30 years, like that, 30 weeks. So whenever you give the waiting period, all these event associated coverage types, employee won't get until the employee met this criteria, 30 days of hire date. Okay. So what it's saying, if there is any, just cancel. If there is any employees on waiting period, do you want to exclude them? Which means don't trigger this plan for the waiting period employees. Okay. So we need to ask this question to customer. Then, of course, there are some best practices, open enrollment, etc. We'll talk about the audit report next time when we're initiating for all plans. Select OK. OK. Now, this is interesting. Now, here, scroll up. You have a refresh button, right, sir?
Yeah.
So you need to select refresh. Once you select refresh, automatically these numbers will populate. Let me check. Refresh. 432 employees. Very good. Refresh. Refresh until it says successfully complete. Refresh. Similarly, refresh. Just bringing around 879 employees. Yeah, it's completed.
Okay.
Now we need to check this count. It is very important. Before initiating itself, we have a report called benefit census report. It will tell you how many employees are eligible for open enrollment, sir. Or even if you can run this one, take this into a new tab. This one you have eligibility rule, right? Select this. Benefit eligibility. View eligible workers. $939 employees you have eligible for this plan. Okay. 939 employees. How many employees we got here?
825.
825 plus 54.
For showing 875.
870. Somewhere 879.
879 rather.
879 minus 939. Sorry for asking this.
Yeah, that's
Okay, no worries. I will see the calc. So 939 minus 879. So where are the 60 employees now? The 60 employees are not has been passed. Where are they? Okay. The employees, some of the employees are leave status is true. Some of the employees, I think this only. Okay, all are active. Okay. Some of the employees are leave status and they might have selected leave status and impact. That's the reason this has not been triggered. That's fine. We have a catch. We'll figure it out. Now, let's talk about all these events, sir. Not started, which means these are the employees has received the action event, but they're not submitted the enroll into the benefit plan. Okay. In progress, which means the employees, the event is triggered, but they have not submitted it. Submitted, they have enrolled into the plan and submitted. Closed with changes, which means you already closed the benefit plan, open enrollment. Okay, let's talk about first these three, then I will talk about this. This is a bug, sir. We are not supposed to get on hold. We should get 0. Okay, first thing. Okay, now let me show you why we got on hold. I will select here. You can see the list of employees. Pick one employee from this list. And we need to do multiple dry runs in our sandbox talent implementation test environment, and then only we need to initiate in the production.
Yeah.
Okay, go to job, worker history. This one went on hold, okay, in progress. Now see, does this employee have any benefits or in progress? Okay, there's one benefit process in progress, sir. That's the reason the other one, open enrollment, went on hold. Okay, so that's why we need to inform our Ben admins to cancel this event before we initiate
Yeah.
open enrollment.
Yeah.
Let's see, we will cancel all these events. How to do that?
Mass
Mass
cancel.
cancel. Right. Mass cancel. Business process types. We will select
It's
change benefit election, change benefit events. Okay. Now, shall I close this enrollment first? I mean, shall I cancel? And we'll ensure it will return 0. Okay. Best practices. How to cancel? Related actions of on your event. Open enrollment. Cancel open enrollment. If you're doing production, it's a big issue. So these are like before in tenant testing environments we can do. Sir, feel free to cut me off, okay? If you are getting late,
yeah.
feel free to cut me. Okay. Okay, it's completed. All event has been cancelled. Now let's proceed to first mass cancel. Okay, from when this will be effective, we don't know. I will select from, it has 3 months period only, right? Maximum 90 days or 120 days only we can cancel. Let's see. One 180 days, I think. Correct. 180 divided by 30, which means 60, 120, 6 months.
First cancel to the end of June. Then we take from 1st of July to the end of the thing again.
Of
We
5.
can cancel to the yeah, correct.
Yeah. Seventeen items.
Yeah.
Okay. Confirm 17. Done. Okay, sir. Now we'll go for July 1st onwards.
Yeah.
– 14 only there. How come remaining are not there? 14 plus 13. Some past date changes are there, it seems.
Yeah, probably some are in 2020 that they've
Yeah,
done.
correct.
Process that.
Uh, here we have some big numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing is there.
The date range, yeah.
Oh, did I? July 1. Oh, okay. I gave here.
2022. That should even be December, up to December.
Okay. No worries. We'll give December.
We have not date.
180. Okay. Shall we proceed, sir, now again? Initiate?
Yeah. Active USA salaried.
Right. Active employees, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Active
Right.
employee.
December 7th, right? Effective from next immediate date.
December 7th.
Huh.
Okay. Correct.
Correct.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Let's say if still any employees come at 0, it will return. Okay. Refresh.
Yeah, some on hold.
Okay, there's still 48.
Uh-uh.
Okay, normally in real time it doesn't happen, sir. No worries. But there are employees who I think is they are there from prior to 2022, I think.
Yeah, there's been a lot of
Yeah, but
practice that have been
I
done
will
there.
quickly check this guy. We'll see like what is the dates there, and they go have this 2021 something. Oh my, 2013, sir. So this is happens in these minutes. That is expected only. But you are clear, right, sir? What is the sanitary check?
Yeah.
Check. Okay. Then let's bring these people. So what we do is we'll go to one of the employee and see our event is available for them or not. Okay. I'll select here. In progress 0. Submitted 0. So remember all these numbers.
Yeah.
I'll go to this guy. We can't proxy this user.
You can proceed.
You know the reason, right, sir? They might not have worked account. You see?
Oh, okay.
If the worked account is not enabled nor created, we cannot proxy. No problem. I know few people who has worked account. our Barry Sykes. Logan is there. Okay, we'll go to her. We can proxy her easily. Proxy. We can also change, since this person whom we initiated, we have a Ben admin access, they can also change for employee here to test. Okay, but we'll go to worker and see the inbox action item. Okay. She's an admin, right? BP is not configured. Everything went for yes.
He's supposed to approve for all this other this.
Exactly. So BP needs to be fixed, sir. So everything, all in went for yes. Still, we can push it manually, but not the best practice. It's okay. Just a checking, sir. So far is fine, right? How to initiate. Anyhow, rest of the plans will configure. We will bring them and we'll move to each employee to each status and we'll close and we'll send the reminders as well.
Yeah.
Over high level, you are clear, right?
Yes, very clear.
Okay, okay. So we'll do one thing, sir. We're not skipping this. What we do is tomorrow we will pick up our healthcare you mentioned, right? First you want to healthcare insurance and we'll bring all these plans. We'll configure business process and then we'll initiate the open enrollment for all the plans. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay. So with this now, from this now, that completes. Once we check the report, other apart from the census report and from looking at this one, will there be any of other report that you have to check when you do your open enrollment?
Yeah, open enrollment status report, sir. This report is very important to send. Here you can see currently active events, completed events. You can see here how many people has are in progress, not started. This is our event. Okay. From here, you can see all these details, how many people have been cancelled, or you can select view details. Then here, from this report, you can go send reminders, close the open enrollment schedule, close open enrollment now. Okay, we can initiate all this. This report also please explore. Open enrollment status report.